To create online test in Google Forms, let's start. First, click on Google search. In that, type Google Forms and go. Don't select the first option. Select the second option, Google Forms free online survey. That you have to click. When you click on that, like this way window will came. Actually it is came in Marathi, but normally it is came in English, saying personal and go to Google Forms. So you have to select the first option, personal, and go to Google Forms. So select the go to Google Forms. When you select this, like this way form will came. Here we have to create our online exams. Okay, no, before creating we have to change its setting. How to change? See, at the upper side three dots are here, so just select these three dots. You will be able to see this pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu, just select the second option, that is setting. Okay, setting, there are three options available: general, presentation, and quiz. Select the quiz. In that quiz, this select as a make this quiz. This is very important, because if you will not do this, this form will not be considered as a quiz. It will be considered as a normal simple Google Forms. So it's very important that in settings you must select the quiz, this form, make this a quiz. Okay, now second, you have to select release grade later on, because we want to give result to the students not immediately after the submission of test, but later on we will send. So this option you have to select, and this is very important, make this quiz. Presentation, don't do anything. And in general, this, make sure that in general category nothing will be clicked. Okay, everything should be unclicked. Okay, this is the settings. General, don't do anything. Representation also don't do. In general, make sure nothing will be clicked. Presentation, don't do anything. And quizzes, it's very important that make this a quiz, should be there. Okay, now click on save. Now we can start now creating our test. Before creating, we will just modify it. Instead of untitled form, type the information about your test. Say for class 5th, you want to make this test. Form description, like means information about the test. Say subject English, marks 20, and a time वगैरह, means you have to information about the test. Now after this, start creating question. But before creating question, we will create one simple format for taking information from the students, means students name is division, because it is very important to recognize the student, right, for checking. So here first create that format. Here type name of the student, and instead of multiple choice, select the short answer type. Automatically it will came. Okay, and click here required, means this answer must be given by the students, its name. Okay, now next step, you have to go to plus sign. Here downside plus is there, click on this plus sign. You can create go to the next question. So next question, we want to ask students about his division. So division. Okay, division, select the choice. Of course it is short, select the short answer, and it is also very required, division, right? So this we have created two field, that is name and his division. Now let's start creating the question. How to create the question? Select this plus sign downside, click on the plus sign and start typing your question. Question number, say 1. Say and before writing the question, first select the type of the question, whether it is short answer, paragraph, or multiple choice checkbox, like this way. I select here simple multiple choice. Okay, type the question. Capital of India. Okay, now after creating question, write the give the options. Click on the option 1, say Delhi. Then to add next option, click on add options and write the option Mumbai. To click next option, click on add option and write the next third option, say Pune. Then to write the fourth option, click on add option and write the option here, say Patna. Okay, so after this is where the important step is, that in the downside you are able to see this check box. Just click the check box. This is very important to give the marks to your question. Suppose I want to set 1 mark for this question. Okay, and click the correct option, the capital of India, Delhi. So this is done. Click on done. Okay, then next question, type next question. Here plus sign is here, just click on the plus sign. The next question, before typing just select the type of your question. Suppose I will multiple choice, select. Okay, type the next question, say dash is a national animal. Okay, now type the options. Now click on option 1, select the first option, say I'll say horse. Then to add to type second option, click on add option, write the option, say tiger. To write third options, click on add option, write the option, say lion. And to add fourth options, click on add options, say wolf. Okay, and the next very important step is click on check box and give the marks. Suppose I will give marks for 2 marks. I want to set this question, so I will set 2 marks, and the correct answer is tiger, and done. So like this way you can add the questions. To add the questions, click on plus sign, add the question, click on the check menu, give the marks, done. Like this way add the questions, how many you want. Now after creating these questions, after creating this test, how to create the URL, how to create the link of your test. Okay, so go to the upper side, here triangle is there, click on this triangle and see 3 options are available. This message box, then the second option is for link options, so you have to click on the second option. Okay, here comes your link of your test, but this is very long, so make short, click on shorten URL and click on copy. Okay, understood? Click the second option, shorten the URL, click and click on copy. The link of your test will be copied. Now this copied link send to your respective group or respective students. Just paste here in the WhatsApp or messages and send. So this is what we have done. We have created the test in Google form, we created the URL and we send this link to the student. Now at the student side, how the this test will look like, we'll see. Now suppose the student has see this message, he will click on the URL link. After clicking, how he will appear the test, we'll see. Okay, like this way test will appear for the students. So see here, as we have click on the required, so this 2 fields is required by the students. He has to write the this fields. Wait. Okay, type your name. So I'll write name. Sorry, name of the students, say Swati. Division, say I will write J. Okay, so I have filled. Now I will start the test. Capital of India is Delhi. Answer is dash is a national animal. Tiger is, but I will say wrong answer. I will write lion and I will submit my test. Okay, so I have submitted here. So student have submitted your test. Now at the teacher side, how will teacher know who has appeared for the exams? So what we have to do? Go to the Google Drive. This is Google Drive. When we'll go to the Google Drive, you will able to see your paper, your questions test which you have set in the Google form. Just click on this test and click on the responses. Okay. When you will click on the response, but it is still not submitted. Okay. See, response, one response is there. Wait. One response is there. See here, you will able to see one response. How to check the students? Say, click on individual class 5 who has given the exam, Swati from the division J, and this is his question. First question is correct, second is wrong. So she got 1 out of 3. Okay, this is my score, this is your student score. And how to send this test to the students? Just click on this printer and like this way PDF form will came. Just click on save this file as a PDF, write the student's name Swati 5th J, okay, and save. So you just check the paper and you save in your document. Just go to the document, see Swati 5th J, this is your student's paper. Just select and share file to the respective class teacher or that student. So this is a simple way to create your online test by using Google Forms.